I am currently logged into the customer portal as a fleet manager administrator. As a fleet admin, I need to go set up some user level limits for members of my fleet. To do that, I'll go to fleet admin in the top navigation and user levels. I'll be brought to the user levels page where I can see a list of all user levels I've previously set up, the contact or delegate that they are for, the scope, the amount, and when it was created. If I need to create a new user level record, I select New. I select the delegate within my fleet. We'll select Juan. The scope, so it could be purchase order or work order. This defines when these limits will be enforced. We'll do purchase order. And we'll say that Juan can submit purchase orders for up to $2,000. If needed, I can also enter notes. On submit, it saves and creates the record. We can see that Juan now has two, one for work order and one for purchase order. What this means is that when Juan tries to submit approvals for a work order that exceeds $2,000, they will receive a notification saying that they need to reach out to their fleet admin because a user level limit has been reached. Same thing on the purchase order. If Juan tries to submit a purchase order that exceeds $2,000, they'll also be notified that they've exceeded that. If I need to edit the limit, I can open up the record, edit the threshold. When we submit this, that has now been decreased to 1,500 and the name has been updated. So for the users in this list, if they have an associated user level, this will be enforced depending on the scope, whether it's purchase order or work order approval. If I were to try to create another record for Juan, I would get a duplicate error. You can only have one entry per scope per delegate. So Juan can only have one record at the work order scope, defining their limit to submit work order approvals.